So today I'm going to teach you how you can get auto-saved passwords from either of these four browsers. You have Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, Chrome, and Brave browser. And I don't like so many stories, so I'll go directly to Edge. It's one of the most widely used. So you click on the three dots, go to settings, then you have passwords. If you click on the passwords, these are the passwords which I've ever saved in this browser. If I want to see the password, I can click on this icon there, then it will verify whether you're the owner of the device. Click on more choices to see how many choices we have here. You can use a smart card, you can use fingerprints, which I'm using right now, you can use Face ID, which is with Windows Hello. Then we have another option, PIN. In this case, let me use Face ID. Click OK, and there you go. We have the password. Now, if you go to this website, which unfortunately it's my local router address. If I click on it, I'll use this username, and then I'll input this password. I can decide also to edit in case maybe I decided to change, or if I want to change it manually. There's several options here. I can even delete. So something interesting about this browser is you can be able to check the health or how strong your password is. So you can see, for example, our first one is weak, and if we check, this is password 4. It knows that it's a widely used. Let's check on this other one here. If I click on this, click OK. Then password 10, I don't know why it thinks that password 10 is a strong password. Anyway, so we still have other options here. For example, we can import passwords from a CSV file, or we can export the ones we have here. Let's start by exporting. We can click on export, then we go to export. I want to put it in my desktop, and then I click on save there. So if I go to the place where I saved the passwords and I click on Microsoft Edge, I'll get everything. So this is the name, and then we have the URL, the username, and the password as a CSV file. I don't want to save. We can actually import passwords from a CSV file or from Google Chrome or Mozilla. Let's do a demonstration. Let's clear out the passwords which we have ever saved here. We're done with that. So if I want to import passwords, I can click on import. You remember the CSV file which we used. You can click on, we want to choose the file. We decided to put it here. So this is Microsoft Edge. Click on open, and you're done. These are the passwords. It will import all the passwords. We might decide also to import from another browser. Let's import from, for example, Mozilla. Click on Mozilla, click on import, and you're done. So it will get all the passwords from the browser. So the second browser will be the one I have mentioned, Firefox. You click on these three lines, you go directly to passwords. These are the passwords which I have ever saved. The same way, I can be able to see all the passwords. This is the username and the password, and this is the address. I can decide also to edit. Maybe this is username 12. Saved changes. Now let's see if we can be able to do something more. Okay, before we remove all the logins, we can import from another browser. And let's see, I want to import from another. So let's use Microsoft Edge. We don't want browsing history, we don't want that, we just want the password. So if we click on next, here also we can export all the passwords. We click on export logins, then we click on export. Let's go to Mozilla, click OK, and we have the passwords. So let's just remove them. I don't want them here. I don't like saving passwords in a browser. Let's go to Chrome and see if we have the same options. So in Chrome, you click on this three dots, you go to settings, and then we have autofill. Then you get your passwords here. So these are the passwords which I have saved in Google Chrome. If I click on this, it will verify whether I'm the owner. I click OK. Yes, this is the password to this website, and this is the username. So we can only export passwords, but we have something interesting here. If we click on check on passwords, it will check our passwords whether they are strong or they are weak. Here you can go directly to the website and change the password. That's interesting, although I need to see the option where I can be able to import the passwords from another browser or from a CSV file. Our last browser will be Brave. If I click on Brave, I click on these three lines, go to settings, click on additional settings, then click on autofill, and then you get our passwords from this. These are the passwords. The same way, if I want to see them, it will verify whether I'm the owner of the device, and if I click OK, yes, this is the password. Same options, I can be able to import, but this time I can only import a CSV file. When we want to export the password, it's just all the same to verify whether you're the owner. Click OK, then you choose the location you want to save the password. Let's call this one passwords 2. So yeah, let's call it 2. Then save the passwords. So if you have other methods or techniques which you use to save your passwords or import your passwords, put that down there in the comment region. I'll be happy to go through them and comment in those which I will be able to. Thank you.